Today we will see the correct method to grow lotus from its tubers or roots. However, you can grow lotus from seeds also, but it takes longer to bloom by seeds, and by the tuber method, mine bloomed within 2.5 months only after planting. So today we will see a step-by-step process of growing lotus from rhizome or tubers, right from planting till flowering. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So I bought this lotus tuber from a seller from some Facebook group and I received it through India Post, securely packed in a box. So it was for about 5 to 6 days in transition. So after taking it out from the box, I kept it in water for about 4 to 5 days in partial shade so that it can overcome the transition shock and get well hydrated. So after 4 to 5 days, I decided to plant it as it looked fine to me. So I chose a small size tub as it's a bowl variety lotus which doesn't grow too big. Friends, there are many varieties of lotus, so choose the pot size as per the variety you're planning to grow, but always remember they do need full sunlight. Now comes the important part. You need to prepare its potting soil, and for that you need to create 2 layers. Put first layer of compost. Cow dung manure would be the best option. Now add a layer of pond clay, which is nothing but chikni mitti. I poured water into it to make it soft as it was too dry. Pond clay helps in holding the root properly, and best thing is it gets settled down at the bottom, making the water clear. However, if you don't have clay, no worries, you can always use soil from your garden. So if you are planning to use garden soil, put a layer of fine sand or gravels on top of soil so that water doesn't get muddy. Alright, so it's done now. It's time to plant lotus tuber. Plant it carefully without damaging the growth buds and make sure you don't bury it entirely, otherwise it will slowly rot down. And now top up with some more soil. I had these clay chunks, so I am adding these, and then we will pour some water into it. Keep on pouring water and all the dust and dirt will fall off, and let the soil settle down. By the next day, plant looks fine, and now I will put this tub in a bigger pot so that it gets enough water. You can skip this step by choosing a deeper tub so that there is enough space to fill it with water. Make sure you keep your plant in full sunlight, and within few days many new leaves will grow. And when you see aerial roots, that is big size leaves with long stems like this, that is the time when you need to fertilize it with NPK. Take a spoonful of NPK, wrap it in a piece of paper or cloth and insert it near the roots. You can repeat it 2 to 3 times every 15 days and you will be surprised to see cute flower buds soon. So my tuber produced flowers within 2.5 months after planting. This is a bowl variety lotus and its name is Pink Meadow. It doesn't bloom in big size flowers, but I absolutely loved the bloom and its bright pink color. It has mild fragrance as well, and it's considered to be a very good bloomer variety, so it's an ideal variety of lotus for beginners to start with. So how was it? I hope you liked today's video, and I will come up with one more interesting video soon. Bye bye.